What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about the Redmi Note 10s. We have all the details about the phone such as the processor and the display, camera setup and also the pricing through verified sources. So without wasting any further time, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then give this video a thumbs up and also press this red subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. Starting off with the launch date, the phone is expected to launch in India on May 13th, and the device will be the fourth device in the lineup in accordance to the Redmi Note 10, Note 10 Pro and the Note 10 Pro Max. While the company has been teasing this phone for a long time now, and now it's here for the confirmation in very several aspects of this phone. The launch event will happen at 12 PM in India on 13th May, as it will go on the sale after the launch event. Now, what we have a confirmed news about is this processor, and it will be powered by the Mediatek Helio G95 SoC, and it will be powered by the battery capacity of 5000 milliamps, and which can be charged up to 33 watt fast charging support included in the box. If we talk about the display, there will be an AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate, although the high refresh rate is still not being confirmed which refresh rate it will be, but it will definitely be a high refresh rate. And on the protection, we have a Gorilla Glass protection 2 on the front. And if we talk about the camera setup and the camera module, the phone will be coming with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup on the back, and there will be a ultra wide lens and also two cameras which will be macro and the depth sensors. On the front, we will be having a punch hole selfie cutout for the selfie camera, and the system will also have a stereo speakers and with a high-res audio certification. The phone will also have a smoother haptics, and the Redmi Note 10s will be a IP53 certified for water and dust resistance. Now if we talk about the software, then the Note 10s will be running on the Android 11 based on MIUI 12.5, which is same as the Mi 11 Ultra or the Mi 11X series. The phone handset will be available in colors of blue, dark grey and white color options. Now if we talk about the pricing, then the phone is expected to launch around 500 to 1000 rupees more than its predecessor, which is the Redmi Note 10 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.